Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'll show you how to reset the spanner light. So as you can see, it comes on. So all you need to do is turn the ignition off, put the foot on the brake all the way down, accelerator pedal all the way down, put the key in, turn the ignition on and hold it for a good 15 seconds onwards really, but make sure your foot pedals are all the way down as well. There you go, it's flashing, and that means it's all reset, in other words. So what we're going to do, you can lift off now, as in lift off the pedals there, and then turn the ignition off, turn it back on, turn it on. It should automatically go off with the rest of the lights.